Alright, I'm going to redo this because stupid me forgot to put the memory card in the camera. So I've already done this, but I'm going to redo it just so you can see how it's done. My wife's Kindle battery took a crap, and we don't want to buy a new one, so we're just going to replace the battery, and I'll show you what needs to be done here. There we go. And here's our battery here. And this is going to come up much easier because I've already done this, but there's an adhesive on this connector down here. You're going to have to get in there and kind of cut that away. It'd probably be easier with the razor blade. I mean, this knife worked fine. And you're not gonna, I thought I was gonna need to glue it back down, but I can feel it pop back into place, so I'm not gonna need to glue it down. And then I just got in over here. This battery is glued down also, and I just got in here and kind of peeled the battery. You can still hear it, the glue sticking, so I think it's gonna stick just fine when the new battery comes. So there's our battery, and I found the battery off of eBay, a place called Happy Retail. I believe that said it was in California, Los Angeles. So it's $23.99 free shipping. So I'm going to order the battery up for it, and we'll be back when the battery shows up. Alright, we got a green light. My wife decided not to get a battery for it. She wanted to see if it would charge now. So it charged. Let me get it unhooked and see what we got. Alright. Where's our button? Alright, may have to put the back cover on this to figure out where the button's at. I think I'm going to put a little dab of silicone right here, just so that when it dries it helps keep it back on there, since they had it glued down. There we go. Alright. Got a green light. Powered up. Alright, looks like we're going. We got 98% on the battery. Better than what it was. Go ahead and shut it down. acting weird. Alright, well, I'm going to take it home, let the wife play around with it and see what happens.